Today's our topic is types of research based on the purpose. Based on the purpose, it can be divided into basic research, applied research, and translational research. In brief, the basic research is to gain the knowledge or acquire the knowledge, and for the applied research to solve the real life problem. Applied research we are using. Translational research, that is from the lab to the actually the treating the patients. That purpose the translational research we are using. So first of all, the research helps to find the new knowledge and solving health problem based on the purpose. Research classification into basic research, applied research, and translational research. One by one, we will study what is basic research. Basic research is also called as a fundamental research. This is the synonym of the basic research. Here, the fundamentals we are finding what it means basic research to then understand how the human body works, how disease occurs. That is the main intention for the research. How human body works and how the disease is produces in our body. What are the organs involved? What are the proteins? How its network it is there? That will study in the basic research for the gaining knowledge. The purpose is only gaining knowledge, not for direct treatment. Example, you can take studying how cancer cell grow in lab. How the cancer cells growing, that we are studying in the lab in our body. If you take example, Ayurvedic examples, if particular disease is produces, what are the doshas are involved, what are the panchabahabhutas are there, what are the dhatus are involved, that study is nothing but the fundamental research or basic research. What is the outcome of this basic research? Helps us to understand the cause and process of the disease, why the diseases occur, and the process of the samprapti or the process of the disease we can understand in the basic research. This is about the basic research. Next one is the applied research. Applied research is done to find the solution to real medical problems. Whatever the diseases are, new diseases or like cancer, like diseases are there, there is no solution in that. The finding the solution, the real medical problem, that is the main intention or purpose of the applied research. The purpose is directly used to treatment, used for the treatment and diagnosis. Okay, why? Because the applied research we are using for the solution or to find the treatment or diagnosis of the particular disease. Now example we can take, developing a new medicine for the high blood pressures. Like that, if your high blood pressure is there, in that developing a new drugs, this is the applied research. Now what is the outcome here? Leads to vaccine, a drug or diagnostic states. What is the outcome here? Leads to vaccines, a drug or diagnostic purpose. It is helpful. The next third one is the translational research. The translational is nothing but the transfer or from the one step to the another. We are using here three steps like T1, T2, T3, translational 1, 2, 3. The meaning of this translational research is convert lab research into actual treatment for the patients. In the first step, we are using the T1 lab research. In the laboratory, we are understanding the what is the actual happening, that is testing on the patients. And second one, successful trial in the hospital setup, clinical trial. Third stage, T3 translational, T3 here, the use in large health programs. This is the very good example. We can take here example phase wise. The phase wise is that we can take very good example like vaccine. Suppose which virus is involved in the T1 we are finding. What is the for specific disease, which virus is involved, that we will study in the lab research. And second one, after that the T through successful clinical trial, like if you are producing the vaccines, this is the second steps. Third steps, use that vaccine in the health programs or giving to the common people. This is the third steps. This is the three steps. Here the purpose of this is to translate scientific finding into clinical use. Now, example is research on virus structure, is the basic vaccine development, applied vaccination in public, that is translational. Now the outcome is faster and effective patient care is the main purpose of this translational research. Now the conclusion of all these three research is the basic research builds the knowledge for the gaining of the knowledge, and applied research gives medical solution to find the solution of that problem, and translational research brings those solution to the hospital and people, providing to the common people. Now all three types are important in improving healthcare. This is about the types of research based on the purpose. If you like this video, please subscribe channel. Thank you.